In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer USDT or any coin from KuCoin Exchange to OKX Exchange. I will show you that which network you have to select for the minimum fees, which network is reliable, how much time it will take to arrive your funds on the OKX Exchange. If you want to transfer USDT or any coin from OKX Exchange to KuCoin, so we have already created a separate video on that topic. You can find the link from the description. So I have opened KuCoin application on my cell phone. So if you want to transfer USDT or any coin from KuCoin Exchange to OKX Exchange, so first you have to select the assets, press assets. Now we are doing a withdrawal from the KuCoin Exchange and we will do deposit on the OKX Exchange. So we are doing a withdraw on KuCoin Exchange. So press the withdraw and here you have to select that which coin you want to withdraw. Currently I have funds in KCS and USDT. I want to withdraw USDT from KuCoin Exchange and I will do deposit on OKX Exchange. So select USDT. So on the top you can see on-chain and internal. Basically internal is used to transfer USDT or any coin from KuCoin Exchange to another KuCoin Exchange account. Currently we are doing a transfer from one exchange to another exchange, so we have to select on-chain. Now here you have to put the withdrawal address and network. So let's see which network are available here. Come on networks. So here you can see ERC20, TRC20, and on the right side you can see the fees and the arrival time. So I will use TRC20 network, which is most reliable, and for the instant arrival it is best. You can use any network, but must sure network should be same on the KuCoin Exchange and on the OKX Exchange. Otherwise you may lost your funds. So let me select TRC20. So the minimum withdrawal for TRC20 network is 3 USDT, and on the bottom you can see the fee is 1.5 USDT. I want to transfer 5 USDT, so amount will be received 3.5 USDT and we have to pay 1.5 USDT fee. So everything is okay for me. Now here we need TRC20 USDT address. Now to get this address, we have to come on the OKX Exchange. So I have opened OKX application on my cell phone. Now to deposit USDT or any coin, you have to come on the assets and select deposit. Now when you select deposit, you can see 3 options: deposit crypto, P2P trading, buy crypto. So currently we are doing a deposit crypto. You have to select deposit crypto and here you have to select the crypto coin which you want to deposit. So I want to deposit USDT, select USDT. Now here you have to select the network. The network should be same on the KuCoin Exchange and on the OKX Exchange. So I will select USDT TRC20 network because we have already selected this network on the KuCoin Exchange. Select this. Alright. So here is deposit address. Copy this address. Deposit network is TRC20, which is correct. And here it says where you want to deposit the received funds, on your funding account or on your trading account. So I want to receive funds on my trading account. Alright, so everything is good here. We have copied this address. Now come on the KuCoin Exchange and paste this address. So everything is correct here. Network is TRC20, withdrawal amount is 5 USDT. Now press withdraw. So here you can see comes from withdrawal receipt. So everything is correct. Press confirm button. Now here we have to complete the security verification, trading password and verification code. Let me put both codes. Press confirm. So here you can see withdrawal initiated. Now it will take less than a minute to complete your withdrawal. Now to see the transaction detail, come on the history button. Press history button. Now withdrawal 3.5 USDT in progress. Press this. Now it says it will take 2 minutes, but usually it will be completed in less than a minute and sometime it will take couple of minutes. So here you can see we have received the notification that withdrawal is successful. So 3.5 USDT withdrawal has been sent to our OKX Exchange account. So let's confirm this transaction. Come on the OKX Exchange account, press back button, refresh this. Here you can see we have received one notification that one deposit USDT received. So here you can see 3.5 USDT has been received on our OKX Exchange account. So in this way you can transfer your USDT or any coin from KuCoin Exchange to OKX Exchange account. So I hope you like the video. If you face any problem, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.